So YouTube, it's your boy Bitcoin Lunatic. We back with another video. And I'm gonna get straight to the point. You know what I'm saying? Today I did not win. Obviously, as you can see, the balance it dropped from 1470 to 202. I did place 2 trades today. I told myself every day this week I'm gonna be placing 2 trades. Only if I lose the first one. So if I lose the first one, I'm gonna give myself a second chance to basically make money on the day. And if I lose, then I just lose that second trade. But I do feel like doing it this way will get me to 2K faster, because there has been days where I lose the first trade and I don't place a second trade, but that second trade ended up being a 1 to 4 or 1 to 5. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm risking 150 and I lose the first trade, and then that second trade I place, I risk 150 and I make around $600. You get what I'm saying? Like, this trade, this sale, I could have caught it, but I got out. I believe I got out prematurely. Like, I was in this trade, but got out too early and I got cooked. But so one thing that I noticed about today, like since I lost, like this what I noticed. I noticed that I gotta start trading later than when I do. You know, I just be thinking like, oh, if it's after 7 a.m., like, okay, let's look for some trades. But I have to be more specific than that. So what I came to the conclusion is I'm gonna be trading around 8:45, around 9 o'clock. Basically, that 9 o'clock candle, like right here, and you see how this new candle just opened on the 1 hour. Look, this candle just opened at 9 o'clock on the 1 hour. So I'm going to be basically trading like this. I'm going to start trading like this. So we got the 9 o'clock candle. We coming up. We retracing. All we doing either is retracing or reversing. You know what I'm saying? We just got to see which one. We do have this order block right here. You know what I'm saying? So price could simply be coming into this order block, you know? If it can respect that order block and drop lower, or, you know what I'm saying, do a C2 sweep on the 5 minute, we can look for sales. We can look for sales if we do a C2 sweep, or if we do a change in state delivery on the 5 minute after coming into this area. But I don't know if I want to trade again. I already took 2 L's for today. You know what I'm saying? This is a live account, so there are no rules. So I could, risk another 150. You know what I'm saying? If I lose, worst case scenario, the account is going to be at $1,050. You know, we still going to be over that 1K mark. I really feel like we just took out Asia's low. So let me see. We just took out Asia's low right here. This is Asia's low. So when you take out Asia's low, there's 2 things that can happen. You're either taking out Asia's low to go higher, or taking out Asia's low to go lower. So you just will have to simply look and see, what's going on. Based off the 1 hour, we have been bearish, as you can see. But that sweeping Asia low may have been the momentum to, go higher and take out buy side liquidity right here. So we could be aiming to take out buy side liquidity right here, because we are ranging. We just don't know. We just got to see. I mean, we did just make a swing high. Well, no, we did not. This candle would be the swing high. So we did the C2 sweep. Yeah, so I mean, based off my strategy, we would have to be bearish, because we did the C2 sweep right here, right? And then the candle closed, boom, C2 sweep. So on this candle, we could be looking for bearish momentum. That's how the rules go. So the rules go, shit. See, so if I'm following my rules, it would be C2 sweep, and on that third candle, we looking for price to expand lower. You know what I'm saying? And this line right here is actually equilibrium of this candle, of the second candle. So we could look for price to respect that, So When it opened, it did touch it, and now it's coming back to it. We could just see what's up. You know what I'm saying? I would trade this live. Let's see. And I ain't even go over the trade. I got damn lost. I'm trying to place another trade. I ain't even go over the trade I lost. That's what I need to be doing. But I'm gonna watch this because I probably take this. I just gotta see. Yeah, because I would enter on the 2 minute because price is very volatile today. So as you can see on the 2 minute, we do have that order block right there, and the candle open, and it looks like this is a retracement. So it does look like we will continue lower from here, but I would want to see a change in state of delivery on the 2 minute. I would want to see price break and close below this area right here, below that white line, and if it breaks and closes below that white line, we can enter. Let's see the 1 minute. Yeah, it's be the same thing on the 1 minute. Yeah, 2 minute. Yeah, so I would enter off the 2 minute, and as far as targets, I'll be looking to get out around here, around this area right here. Got sell side liquidity right here. You know what I'm saying? Right there, and then you have sell side liquidity right here. Not gonna hold the trades this long. We're only looking for like a 2-1, 3-1, 4-1, some shit like that. We probably just honestly, I'll be satisfied with a 3-1 if I can get it. You know what I'm saying? If I can risk 150 and make 450, I'll be satisfied with that. Yeah. So we just gotta wait and see what happens. Shit, you know. We gotta wait and see what happens. Yeah, but as far as the trade that I look at this, I'm gonna keep 100. I'm gonna show y'all this. I'm gonna be 100% transparent. I got cooked. So this 99, that was yesterday, obviously. So today I lost 260. I placed 2 trades. I lost 260. I lost 122, 138. I'm basically risking 150 per trade. Up to 150 per trade. Took 2 buys. Got cooked. I'm trying to remember where the fuck did I buy it? Like, what time was it when I bought? As a matter of fact, I believe I bought right here at 8:15. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, cause I really wasn't paying attention, bro. Like, I was just so stuck on it being bullish. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I was so stuck on. I was just so stuck on price being bullish, and I came into the markets just looking for buys. I need to just go off what that hourly chart is really telling me for real, but it looked like it was telling me that it wanted to go higher, shit. So I believe I entered off of I actually entered for a buy right here. If I'm not, no. I entered around this time, yeah, 8:15. So I had to be right here. Price broke and closed above this down close candle, and I entered for a buy. I put my stops down here. I put my stop right here. You know what I'm saying? And I got cooked. I pressed buy right there. Boom. Stop loss. Boom. I don't even got to do the other part. Cause look, ain't even go nowhere. I ain't even get a 1-to-1. Shit straight stopped me out. You know what I'm saying? And I did 2 buys today. I can't remember. I deleted the whole chart when after the trade was over. But I mean, shit, based off what's happening right now, I mean, if it want to give me something, it looking like it want to give me some. Let's see, y'all. What y'all think? I know y'all probably like, bro, just be done for today. I really was I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, my first 2 trades, I just woke up. Like, I haven't been woke for like more than 3 minutes. I swear to God. And I was placing trades, and I feel like there was another red flag. So it's like, and I have done that before and hit TP, but I just can't keep doing that shit. I can't keep just waking up and just placing trades when I haven't even been woke for longer than 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Like, that's not good for my trading, you know? So I just got to come to realization. So what I learned from today from losing my 2 trades was, one, don't place a trade within 3 minutes of you waking up. And two, stop trading before 8:45 New York time, 9 o'clock New York time. So if it's not near 9 o'clock New York time, don't place a trade. I be placing trades. It be 7:15 New York time, 7:30 New York time, 8 o'clock New York time. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it don't. But I noticed that I can save myself from losing if I just wait. Like if I wait till 9 o'clock, and I know a lot of people love to trade 9:30. If I wait until around 9 o'clock, 9:30, I'll be more likely to like make money. I'll be more likely to win. I'll be more awake, obviously, and I can make better decisions, and I'll be able to see more data. You know what I'm saying? So I'm coming in the market around 9 o'clock. I can see more data. You know what I'm saying? So the market is gonna tend to show itself over time anyway. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna tend to show itself around 9 o'clock. So as you can see right here is 9 o'clock, and as you can see, it showed itself. What is it showing? It's showing that it's low key bearish. Like, yeah, we took our ages low, so we could go up. You know what I'm saying? That's why I would be hesitant to take this trade unless it broke and closed below this line. You know what I'm saying? If it broke and closed below this line on the 2 minute, I would sell and aim for a 3-to-1, no cap. Because I feel like it's not breaking ages low to go lower. I mean, to go higher. I feel like it will be breaking ages low to go lower. You get what I'm saying? So look at it. Look at it. You see, stops would be up here. You know what I'm saying? But it has to break below it. If it don't break below it in the next couple of candles, I'm not gonna take a trade for today. But if I can make that little, you know what I'm saying, get that little shit back, I'm pretty sure I can. Cause let me see, even to this level, that's 305 right there, and that's just getting out at that level. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. What other level we got? Oh, and we got that other level all the way down there. But nobody not finna hold it to all the way down here because we don't know how long it's gonna take. You know what I'm saying? We don't know how long it's gonna take to get right there. Don't know. I know 450 would be a 3-to-1 if I aim to get out at 450. Let's see what he's doing. This the part that, you know what I'm saying, that makes a trader, I guess, the waiting part. The waiting part. As you can see, it came to this change of state of delivery and it wicked it. You know what I'm saying? As if it wants to go higher. So it came to it and it wicked it. But let's see, because we did respect this order block right here. This order block, we respected it. So let's just see. Block. We respected that order block. We did a C2 sweep on the 1 hour. You know what I'm saying? Everything is pointing bearish. So if it reverses, I don't know. We did a C2 sweep on the 1 hour chart. Look at that. So when the second candle breaks the high of the first candle and closes within the range, it closed below the whole candle. So, you know what I'm saying? This third candle, we can look for expansion to the downside. It did expand all the way right here and take our ages low. So I don't know if like that's gonna be like, you know, the lowest point is gonna go. And I don't know if I get in for a sale, I get stopped out. That's why I have rules. That's why I go down to the 5 minute or the 2 minute and I wait. That's the whole purpose of waiting instead of just entering. That's the whole purpose of the candle open. I ain't sell right here. I ain't sell right here. I ain't sell right here. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like I ain't see what I want to see. I want to see a set of up closed candles broken and closed below on the entry time frame, and then I'll be more confident to take a sell. But it don't look like it don't look like it's probably gonna give it to me. You know what I'm saying? We did take our Asia's low, but we also took our Asia's high. So we took our Asia's high, then took our Asia's low. So it's really just a waiting game for real. It's really just a waiting game. I ain't want this screen recording to be too long. Like I said, I don't know how long my MacBook be recording. You know what I'm saying? Don't know how long my MacBook be recording before stopping. There was one time where I was talking and it stopped recording. You know what I'm saying? And I was talking for like 30 minutes after it stopped recording. It only got like 20 minutes of recording. So I don't know what was that issue that day. See, look, we took our Asia's low, came back into this order block with some decent momentum, but it's still, oh yeah, boom. So it broke through it. Broke through the order block. But on that 5-minute chart, we still got that 5-minute order block. Yeah, it's cooked. It's over with. If anything, I mean, we got these sets of down close candles on the 5-minute, and if it closes above, that could be signal to go higher. But I wouldn't take it. But I wouldn't take it. Cause look, we still then this 5-minute order block, we still ain't break through this one. You know what I'm saying? And that's my highest entry time frame. So if it ain't gonna break through this one, shit, we just gotta see. If it break through this one, then okay, we done. We I don't think it would sell, you know. If it breaks and close above this 5-minute order block, I don't think we're gonna be selling no more. But if it can respect it, we definitely would drop. Yeah, because if you take away this line so you can see the candle, look at that. The candle is actually bullish, you know what I'm saying? So basically, since we took our Asia's low, you basically just gotta wait. Because we did have a C2 sweep right here, but it already took out this liquidity, so yeah, it's going the other way. So you can basically, I would have to wait for this candle to close. I would have to wait for this candle to close because this is a C2 sweep right here, but only if it closes. Only if it closes where it's at or near where it's at. So if it can close within the range of this candle, within the whole range, when I say the range, I mean right here from this level to this level. If it can close in this area, you know what I'm saying? I could be looking to take buys at the next candle, which would be 10 o'clock. But it would have to close within the range. And it got 30 more minutes. You know what I'm saying? So we don't know. We don't know. Got 30 minutes. If it closed within the range, we basically would be bullish. If it closed within the range, boom, that's C2 sweep. We bullish. We will be looking to get, take out these buy side liquidities. You know what I'm saying? Got liquidity resting above here, right here. Got liquidity resting above here, buy side liquidity. You know what I'm saying? We will be looking for price to take out at least here, at least this buy side liquidity within this range right here, because this is a range and it did not take out the lower the range. Boom. Oh yeah, it's gone. It's gone. This gonna be a big one. C2 sweep. This gonna be a big C2 sweep. I'm gonna get it tomorrow though, man. If I miss out, I'm gonna get it tomorrow. It's all about patience, bro. Patience. See, look at that. Big old C2 sweep. This candle probably finna go all the way up here, possibly. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if I want to get on board with it if it, come. But if this candle closes up here, basically bullish, without taking out this area, I could potentially come in at 10 o'clock and look for my entry strategy, which is a change in state of delivery. But I'm probably just gonna let it be no matter what it do, because I already took 2 L's for today. But yeah, that was a heavy candle. I know they probably in a Telegram chat going crazy right now, if anybody caught this. Yep. So yeah, man, I don't want to really rush nothing or force nothing. So I'm just gonna come back. I'm gonna come back into the markets tomorrow, and we're just gonna see how I go, man. Hopefully tomorrow I can get a W, and hopefully tomorrow I can make like 450 on the live account. You know what I'm saying? It'll put the account at 1650 basically. So yep, we're gonna see. I know for a fact if I can get a couple of good trades this week, the account will by default be at 2K. Because in one trade, I'm aiming to make about 300 to 450. So all I need is about 2 good trades and I'll be at 2K. If I can get this account to 2K like this week before Friday, I probably won't even trade Friday. Like if Thursday come and I hit TP, or Wednesday come and I hit TP and it's at 2K, I probably won't even trade for the rest of the week. I just need time to reset, you know what I'm saying? Reset my mind and prepare myself for the next week, because I know when that next week come, I'm going to be risking 200 to 250 per trade. I'm upping it, you know what I'm saying? Cause with that 250, I can make 750 in one trade, cause that's just a 3-to-1. And 2 of those, that's 14. That's what, 1,500 in 2 trades. The account will be at 3,500. You know what I'm saying? And I could probably just keep that same risk, honestly, all the way up until it get to 5,000, honestly. Cause I don't want to risk too much. Like on this whole challenge, I know I said like, oh, when you get 3K, I risk 300 and this is it. But honestly, I don't think I want to risk more than 250 per trade on this whole challenge, because I gotta take into consideration my losses too. You know what I'm saying? You ain't trying to be losing $500 a trade. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna really like make the account go down and down and down. I'm trying to like manage my risk, so I don't think I would want to risk more than 250 per trade. But look at that candle, bro. It literally going right where I said it would. That's a big old C2 sweep. So we're gonna just let it be that. I did say that I was bullish on US 30, even though like today was just weird, bro. And then I feel like I could take accountability for my actions. For me losing today, I feel like it was 100% on me. You can't really blame the markets. I feel like the market was a little choppy around when I was trying to enter. I felt like in order for me to make money, all I had to do was simply wait. You know what I'm saying? And I would have made money. That's how I feel. I feel like all I had to do was wait. You know what I'm saying? Because I could have caught this trade right here. I could have caught this sell right here. I believe I did catch it, but I exited because I had already took a L, and I'm like, man, this shit finna stop me out. You know what I'm saying? So I had got out, and that shit ended up dropping. It ended up dropping and taking out Asia's low where I was expecting it to go, and then took out Asia's low. I said, remember what I said? When it take out Asia's low or high, it's 2 things it can do. It's either taking out Asia's low to go lower, or it's taking out Asia's low to go higher. You just have to figure out which one it's doing. It was taking out Asia's low to go higher. It was taking out Asia's low to go higher, because we really wasn't, like, we did make a higher low right here. So when it came back down into it, boom, it just went up. This was unexpected. I couldn't predict that. You know what I'm saying? All I could have did was just simply wait it. You know what I'm saying? And follow my rules. Took 2 L's today. It's all good. Today is Monday, the first day of the week. We're going to come back. We got 4 more trading days. So we're going to come back and we're going to be patient. And I'm going to practice the 2 things I said today. That's what I'm going to implement tomorrow. So I'm not going to trade until it's around 9 o'clock or after. And I'm not going to trade within 3 minutes of me waking up. And if I follow those rules, I should do pretty good this week. So with that being said, we out, and I will see you guys tomorrow.